It is currently 7 degrees Fahrenheit. Outside, not inside. Inside, it's warm. But there's a little bit of frost on my windows. It's Thanksgiving Day here in the United States. So to all my friends and family, happy Thanksgiving Day. If it weren't for a lot of you, we wouldn't be here. So this is a special day, and it's nice. It's sunny, it's cold, it's 7 degrees Fahrenheit. We have snow on the ground. The house is buried in snow, so it's nice and warm, and the wood stove's going. All is good. Happy Thanksgiving Day.